graduating K2 pupils, batch 2007-2008. 22 boys, please stand, boys, and 18 girls. A total of 40 graduating pupils.
Dr. Iada, I have the honor to present to you our graduating class of school year 2007-2008 from St. Mark's Institute Annex. 35 Kinder 2 pupils in all, 15 boys, and 20 girls.
By virtue of the authority vested on me by the Department of Education, I hereby confirm these 73 K2 pupils, 35 boys and 38 girls, graduates for the academic year 2007-2008. They have satisfactorily completed all the requirements prescribed by the department for the preschool course. Let's all give them a big round of applause. Congratulations to you all. Yes, and you may now change the, what do you call that? Tassel. Wow, okay.
Aliyu Julia.
And then Heather May L.
My name is Heather May Andan. When I grow up, I want to be a nurse. My name is Zarani Tito Mawis. I want to be a doctor.
Tongko Jillian A.
My name is Jillian Andan Tongko. When I grow up, I want to be a veterinarian.
Introduction of our guest speaker, may we call on Giselle Ann A. Malabanan, First Honors. First Honorable Mention, Rizabel D.L.L. Sibal, Most Neat. Maria Shelo Julia F. Gilo, Most Industrious. James Matthew H. Lopez, Best in Language, Best in Writing, Most Active, Most Neat. And Jillian A. Tongko, Best in Computer, Most Neat. Best in Filipino, Most Responsible. John Paul S. Cervantes, Best in Math, Most Active. And Ezekiel Jeffrey Enriquez,